Hello guys, my name is Arsalan. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will be solving a new Leetcode question, that is check if all A's appears before all B's. So the question says here, given a string S consisting of only the characters A and B, return true if every A appears before every B in the string, otherwise return false. So we will be solving this question with the help of JavaScript. And if you see here, the question says that the index of A should always return before the index of B. So if it is not, then return false, else return true. So here you can see that the index of every possible A here is always less than the index of B. So it's true here. However, if we see next example number 2, so it's AB. So you can see that after B here, there is another A here which has an index of 2, and here B index of 1. So it means that the index of B is greater than index of one of the index of A is greater than the minimum index of B. So minimum index of B is 1 and maximum index of A is 2. So it's they are means it the index of B, minimum index of B should be greater than maximum index of B, then the possibility of there's a possibility is true. So we will be trying to get the maximum value index of B, that minimum value of B should be greater than the maximum value of A. So I will show you what I am saying here, that we will be checking that the maximum index value of A should be less than the minimum value of B. First of all, we will be checking this. I will just telling you what are the possibility of getting a true value. Then second of all, we will be searching that the B index is empty. If B index is empty, then also it is true, meaning that S should be equal to all A's, like A or A. So if it is like this, then we will be returning true, else we will be returning false. So these are the two possibility where we can check for the true value, all condition are false. Okay, so if you see here, it is all B here, so it is true here, of course, because there is no A here. So what we will be doing here is, first of all, we will be creating two arrays. Let me show you what we will be doing here. So I will be creating two arrays, naming A index is equals to an empty array, and again B index, which will be saying that B index is also an empty array. Then we will be looping, let I is equals to 0 and I is less than s dot length and I plus plus. Then now what we will be doing here, we will be pushing the A index of A in this, like every value of index in A and every value of index in B index. So how we will be doing here, so we will be saying A index dot push S dot index of A and I B. So let's copy this thing here, control Z, control B. Okay, so B index. So now every index of every possible index would be here only. I hope you have got my point here. So what will be happening here is that what we'll be getting here is, if we take the for example here, so we'll be getting index of 1 0 1 2 in the uh, 0 1 2 in a index and b index is equals to what we will be getting. We will be getting, if you see the first example, we will be getting 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So now what we will be checking, we will be checking the minimum value, or sorry, maximum value of this. Let's see, the maximum value of here is 2 and the minimum value of this should also be so it should be greater than the maximum value of a. So for that we will be writing a code here. Okay, now after this thing we will be checking. I hope you've got this point here, that we will be getting the index of here, like a index will be 1012 and b index for 003 if we have s is equals to a b b b. Okay, so this is the s here, and the index of a would be 012 and b index would be 0345. So we have looped and we have pushed the values of in the a index and b index. Now we will be writing a condition here. First of all, we will be checking that if the b index is empty or not, if math dot maximum value of b index is equals to -1, then return true. And one more thing we have done wrong here, that we have put the wrong parenthesis here, so it would come here. Okay, now we will write one more condition here, that is else if that would also be equal to true. That is, we will be checking the minimum value, maximum value of a should be less than the minimum value of b. So math dot max a index is less than math dot min uh, b index, return true. Else return false. So here we have what we have done. For let me explain it to you, the if else condition. First of all, we have checked. So first of all, we have checked that if the maximum value of the b is means if there is no value in the b index, means this is 0. So if it is equal to -1, then we should return true. Means there is no index here, so it will return -1. And then we will be seeing that if it is not means if it is not an empty, if it is not an empty array, so we will be checking that if it is not an empty array, then the maximum value of a index should be less than the minimum value of value of index b. Then also we should return true, as we should return false. Now if we run the code here, let's see that whether we have got an answer here or not. Okay, so we have got our answer here. We have applied multiple test cases already here, so you can see that we have got our answer here. So I hope you have understood the concept here, guys. So please guys, to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video, and see you next time.